welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja. I like to dance. If you don't know, now you know. Yeah, so my name is Hooja, and today we are just going to be doing 2 hairstyles with this quick weave. I will name her in a minute. You just have to wait and see. I don't know who I am today. I just feel fancy. Okay, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Where's my lip gloss at? Don't mind me. Yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you 2 hairstyles. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This lighting is too much. Oh, is it just right? Honestly, let me know in the comments how you're feeling about the lighting. I've changed it like 20 times for this video, who knows. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys 2 hairstyles with this hair I have, and I hope that you guys like this tutorial. I love doing this look, so you know, stay tuned. I'm pretty sure I said the price, but if I didn't say the price of this wig, it's gonna be down in the description below. Please check it out because I want you guys to get this wig. I'll also like list it in my title as well too. So I have the wig, and this is Outre's quick weave, and her name is Ashani in the color 1B. Okay, it also comes in the colors 1, 2, 4, 950, DR 27 613, DR 30, DR 425, DR red, S1B/30, S1B/B. It comes in a lot of colors. Okay, so I'm gonna link it down below, and then you guys can easily like click the link to buy the wig if you want to, but all the colors will be there. But I got this in a 1B just so that it would match my hair. My hair's not jet black anymore, so yeah. But if you guys watched my recent video, I talked to you guys a little bit about quick weaves. So this quick weave only has 2 combs, and the way we are styling this wig, honey, is in half up, half down. And that's the reason why I have half my hair up here, and then I have some hair tucked behind here. I literally just unboxed it. This is what the girl looks like if you want the wig. But I just unboxed it. I'm throwing stuff everywhere like a terrible person. My lighting keeps changing and I don't know why. I'm getting really frustrated because now I look washed out and I'm angry. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my lights. Don't ask. I'm sorry. So this is how the wig looks out of the net, and it's like, it's super cute. I'm trying not to like mess the curls up so much. It has a comb in the front and a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps as well, but I mean, I really don't use them. I'm just gonna start by doing this right here. Oh my god, my forehead. I just need to like live with it, but it's so ugly. I'm putting it inside. Oh, it's too early for this, because when I tell you my hair is about to be sleeked, it's gonna be sleeked, honey. I'm just gonna like smooth that in and like work it in because my hair is kind of dry right now. I might put too much, but it's okay. My hair is just gonna be super slicked. I'm also gonna add some Eco Styler, and this is the black castor and flaxseed. I really like it, even though like it does cause little flaky guys, and I really don't like those. But I'm just gonna put a little bit just to like really slick it down. put a lot of product in there. Honestly, that product goes a long way after seeing this, but it's whatever. That's what I'm talking about. So it's kind of smooth, whatever. And I'm going to take this little guy. Look at this product right here. I literally put so much. Don't judge me, because my hair was so dry. I think I have some got to be glue, and a lot of people use it on their edges, and I used to do it, and I'm kind of debating on if I want to use it or not, because it's like thick. I don't think my edges will move if I do this. I'm just going to attach it where my part starts, right here. I'm gonna take the front, put it on. Yeah, you'd have to attach it to that back side. This is cute. Aww. I feel like a little Barbie doll. Wow. That's so cute. It makes me want to cry. Honestly, I've just been crying lately. I'm crazy. So, for this first hairstyle, I've already, you know, y'all saw me slick my edges down and all that fun stuff. All you have to do is take your hair and section a part of the hair that you want. I mean, like, depending on how big you want your, like, top pony to be, like, it's all in what you want. I'm not gonna tell you, like, how much, but this is how much I'm grabbing. Like, it's a good amount. Ugh. What you're gonna do is take both the pony, I mean, like, your pony, and then some of the pieces, like a couple pieces of the hair with that, and create a pony. So just make sure that you get it super tight. Okay, just make sure you get it super tight, because I mean, who wants a loose pony? No one. Said no one ever. No, my nails are getting caught. Okay, I guess that's fine. That was tight enough. My stupid nails were getting caught in the thing. So annoying. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually going to wrap my hair around this pony so that I can kind of make like a cute little base, you know? A cute little base. So I'm just gonna tighten that up a little. I'm gonna separate and twist, just to kind of like make sure that it doesn't like come apart. Hopefully this looks cute. That would be terrible if it didn't look cute, you know? Now I'm going to wrap that around the base. Yeah, y'all, I don't know if this is gonna be cute, but I'm gonna try. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin that in the back, like the end of my hair. This is vicious. This is vicious work. And then I'm just kind of gonna like play with it, and boom. Hopefully I can make this bun look a little cuter, but it's okay. Aww. Look at how easy that was. Hopefully I explained it well, but if not, I'm gonna explain it again right now. So, 2 ponytails, your hair, or 1 ponytail, your hair and sections of the hair, of the quick weave. And then all you're gonna do is take your hair, wrap it around the base, and then bobby pin it. Bobby pin it so that it doesn't come loose. Make sure it's super tight. And then you're just gonna kind of like fluff a little. I'm like 10 times extra when I have some cute hair on my head, and I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm just so extra. But yeah, so this is the first style, and then I'm gonna show you guys another style as well. But this is the first one, and I'm really feeling it. Like, this is cute AF. I'm feeling very Ariana Grande right now. Like, this is the perfect one. Like, the curls remind you of like scissor curls, like when she has her black curls, and then like her black curls, her black hair. And then it also reminds me of Ariana Grande when she always has like her high ponies. Yes, her high half ponies. And then it also gives me feels of just like a nice like wanded blowout or like glam curls. So feeling it. I'm feeling it. Y'all feeling what I'm feeling? Ooh. This wig is, this wig was $10.94, which makes it $11 because, you know, gotta round up, you know, with tax. But it was $11. So y'all should just get this one too. And they had a whole bunch of colors. I do say them sometime in the video, but they come in a bunch of colors. Like, I'm like, who not cute? Who not beautiful? Who feeling this wig, huh? I'm in love. Like, I just can't deal. I think this has to be like hands down one of my favorite wigs, only because, let me say this, only because I love big hair. If you know me in real life, I do love big hair. Like, the bigger the better. This is number one on my list. Like, I'd be like, get every wig, but this one, you need to get this wig. Bomb ass wig. So honestly, if you want to do these hairstyles, you should get a hair color that's similar to yours. I say that because you don't want the hair to not match, and I kind of feel like mine isn't matching just because, I don't know, it's weird. Like, in the camera, I mean, in my mirror, it looks like my hair is a little bit lighter than this hair. And then another thing, I do not want to put heat on my hair anytime soon, so I left my hair curly and kind of like air dried, and it still kind of looked to me. So I mean, like, I feel cute, but I mean, others might judge me because my hair isn't blow dried. But I mean, you can easily put heat on your hair. You can flat iron it if you want to, and that'll make the hair look a lot better with this quick weave. Sorry, I'm already messing up the curls, but I'm pretty sure I want this to be like big and glamorous. Yes, got an idea. So I'm gonna make a little tiny bun right here, and then I have bobby pins. You're gonna need these. Look how tiny. wait, y'all gonna have to see this. Y'all is gonna have to see this. Look at how tiny this look how tiny this bun is. Look, from little bun to big bun. Y'all gonna see it in a minute. I'm going to take a bunch of hair. Sorry, I was playing with it and now I already got it tangled. And then take some from this side. I don't know if it looks even or not. Will it look even on the camera? Okay. That looks kind of even. And then just bring some here, bring some here. Yeah, that looks good. This is gonna be so cute. With the piece that we just parted, we are going to kind of like ponytail that to this base, if that makes any sense at all. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Because we kind of want that to be like our base, you know? Kind of want this to be our base. All right. So look at that. Look at that. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? It's coming together. It's coming together. We're going to kind of create a ninja bun. Ninja buns, when it comes to ninja buns, I kind of just like take my time and kind of create the form that I want. I don't want to look like a unicorn, but I want it to be like a cute little knot, you know? Yeah, like I'm just gonna kind of like create my shape by twisting. And all I'm trying to do is create my little bun that I want. It doesn't need to be like neat. I'm not a neat person when it comes to like ninja buns. I'm kind of just messy with it. But I kind of just pin it and like kind of fix it to the way I want, you know. It doesn't have to be neat. But yeah, so this is one way. Sorry, it's just so messy. I don't know. Oh, I kind of like that. So the only hair that we have out is basically our base of our ponytail. And the fact that I like knotted around my little knot, like it really worked. Like I'm feeling it this way. This is the second style I wanted to show you guys. I'm really feeling this bun. And I like the fact that like quick weaves, you could just do so much with them. Like, bam. Just wanted to show you guys what you can do with a quick weave, you know? Like 2 styles, something different for a half up, half down. I just love hair. So, I mean, if y'all sick of the hair videos, I'm sorry, but, you know. I just love doing my hair, and I like helping other people like get to do some new hairstyles. Like I love that feeling. Like I love when people say, girl, you put me onto that wig, and I'm like, it makes my little heart flutter, you know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with more surprises and I'm excited. But if you guys like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I feel like everyone says that, but I need to come up with my own thing, you know, because I'm sick of saying the same shit over and over. Let me stop cursing. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all gonna see me looking rough in this video, but it's okay.